Hi everyone, hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will walk through the complete module of SAP Business One in detail. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more timely updates related to SAP Business One. Let's start with creating a sales blanket agreement, where we will select the customer code in the BP code section of the General Window tab, and then in the Details tab, we will select the item code and the quantity of the item, which is there in the agreement. The main purpose of creating a sales blanket agreement is to keep an agreement between you and the customer for a specific sales price and quantity of an item or items for a specific time period. The blanket agreement will be saved as a draft blanket agreement, and the same cannot be linked with any sales transactions until you approve the same blanket agreement. So, after creating the agreement, we will go to the main screen again, and then approve the agreement. And then hit the Update button. Now my sales blanket agreement is ready for further use. Let's jump into the next screen, which is the sales quotation. We'll select the customer here and link the same blanket agreement to this sales quotation. To link the same, we need to click on the Copy From button and then select the blanket agreement. Select your blanket agreement and hit Next button. Here you can see the items and the other details like quantity and price. I wanted to create the sales quotation for 10 quantity. I will select the tax code here. Now my sales quotation is created. Now to create a sales order, I will simply just click on the Copy to button below the screen and click on Sales Order. You can see here the entire data has been copied from the sales quotation screen. Only I have to update the delivery date for the order. Now I have update the delivery date for the order. We'll click on the Add and View button to save the transaction. To create the delivery document, we'll similarly click on the Copy to button and then select the delivery option. Now my delivery document is created. I can click on the Journal Preview button to see the automatic journal entry, which is posted to the transaction. In a similar way, we will copy the delivery to a ER invoice transaction. Now the AR invoice is created. We can click on the journal preview to view the journal entry. Once we right-click and click on the relationship map, then we will be able to see the entire transaction linked with each other in a map. Now it is time to create a credit memo based on the invoice. This can be created in case of any kind of sales return and damaged products credit back to our stock from the customer. We will consider that one quantity is returned. We can see the relationship map from here as well. We can click on the golden arrow here to open the Business Partner Master Data. In the Account Balance golden arrow section, we can see the receivable from the customer and the relevant transactions. To receive the outstanding balance from the customer, we will create an incoming payment transaction. Once we select the customer code, then the related invoices will auto-load to the screen from the list. We can select one or multiple at a time to create the receipt entry. Click here in the Payment Means button to select the payment methods like check, bank transfer, credit card, or cash. Select the GL account here and the transfer date and the amount total, and click on the OK button. The incoming payment entry is saved successfully. We can now see the incoming payment also linked with the invoice. So some of the amount in the invoice is closed by incoming payment and the rest by AR Credit Memo. If you would like to receive more similar updates, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Your one subscription truly helps us grow.